Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain some more numerical problems on coordinate geometry. Now you see, in this first problem is find the coordinates of the points which divide the line joining A -2 to B 28 into 4 equal parts. That means one point given, 2 points given A, B, line joining. So that line joining make it into 4 equal parts. That means suppose any line joining is there, how can you make it into 4 equal parts? Means first center point you take 2 equal parts, this you make it midpoint, you take again to make it midpoint. That means what? 1 2 3 4 equal parts, 4 equal parts, we can make it into 4 equal parts. That means what? How many points we need to make it 4 equal parts? Means 3. Suppose this is P1, P2, P3. Now this is P2 point, suppose midpoint of AB. This is the midpoint of this one. This point is midpoint of these two. This point of midpoint of these two. So on that concept, by using midpoints formula, we can calculate the P1, P2, P3 coordinates, which divides the line joining into 4 equal parts. Now practical we will do. Now see. So A -2 to B is 2 8. Here 3 points are there, P1, P2, P3. Let they divide the line AB into 4 equal parts. Then the condition is what? P2 is the midpoint of AB, P2 is the midpoint of AB, P1 is the midpoint of AP2, P3 is the midpoint of P2B, P2B. Then we can calculate by midpoints formulas. Okay, right. Let A -2 to B 2 8 are the given points. Let P1 comma P2 comma P3 are the 3 points. Here write this also, write P1 x1 comma P2 x2 comma y2. Here coordinates also write P3 x3 comma y3 are the 3 points which divides AB into 4 equal parts. Because they are dividing that 4 equal parts, that conditions we know. What is the conditions? So P2 is the midpoint of first P2, because these you know, that's why first P2. P2 is the midpoint of AB. AB points already given, that's why first. Then only you can find out the P2. So P2 is the midpoint of AB. P1 is the midpoint of P1 is the midpoint of AP2. P3 is the midpoint of P3 is the midpoint of P2B. P2B. This condition we know because 4 equal parts. Now first calculate P2. Coordinates of P2. Coordinates of P2. Write points. P2 points for P2, for which points it is midpoint? -2 to 8. For these points this is midpoint. So x1 y1, x2 y2. By using formula, the coordinates of P2 midpoint we can calculate. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is -2 plus 2 by 2, 2 plus 8 by 2. So this is 0 by 2, 10 by 2. That means 0 by anything is 0, 10 by 2 means 5. 0 comma 5 is the coordinates of P2. So here write for P2 0 comma 5 we calculated. Then midpoint of this we can calculate, midpoint of this we can calculate. So now midpoint of P1, midpoint of P1, midpoint of P1. That is points where what for P1? Minus 2 to 0, 5. This you take it x1, y1, x2, y2. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Substitute the values. X1 is minus 2 plus 0 by 2, y1 is 2 plus y2 is 5 by 2. That is minus 2 by 2, 7 by 2. That is 2 by 2 is 1, comma 7 by 2. This is the coordinates of P1. Now coordinates of P2 already calculated. P3. Points of P3. For P3 what are the points? For which points it is midpoint? 0, 5, 2, 8. So take it x1, y1, x2, y2. So write x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 0 plus 2 by 2, y1 is 5 plus 8 by 2. So 2 by 2, 5 plus 5 is 13 by 2. 1, comma 13 by 2. Therefore, coordinates of the points P1 is P1 minus 1, 7 by 2. P2 is 0, 5. See, P2 first calculated. P3 is now 1, 13 by 2. 1, 13 by 2. These are the required coordinates. This concept is whenever a line is dividing into 4 parts means first this point, middle point is midpoint of these two lines. This one is midpoint of these two. This one is midpoint of these two. So that concept we are using here. By using midpoints formula we can easily calculate. The second sum is find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points a plus b, comma a minus b, comma a plus b in the ratio. That means instead of x1, y1, x2, y2, before sums numerical values given, numbers. But here algebraic expressions give for numbers instead of numbers. Same, by using that formula only we can do. Okay, now directly I'm writing. The given points are what? A plus b, a minus b, a minus b, a plus b. See, a minus b, a plus b. That means x1, y1, x2, y2. Ratio m1 is to m2, that is equal to 3 is to 2. m1, m2 ratio. Now easily we can calculate that. What is that one? Coordinates of the point which divides line segment joining x1, y1, comma x2, y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally is that formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the formula. Now in this formula you substitute values. Now m1 is 3 into x2 is a minus b plus m2 is 2 into x1 is a plus b, all by m1 plus m2 means 3 plus 2, comma Here also m1 is 3 into y2. y2 is a plus b plus m2 is 2, y1 is a minus b, all by 3 plus 2. This is the, we substituted in that formula. Now expansion only. See, 3 into a 3a, minus is there, 3 into b 3b, plus is there directly, 2 into a 2a, plus only there, 2 into b 2b, by 3 plus 2 is 5. Here 3 into a 3a, plus 3 into b 3b, plus 2 into a 2a, minus is there, 2 into b 2b, by 5. So if you simplify, see a 5a, both are plus only, but b is, see here, minus is there, plus is there, minus is big, so minus b, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1b, by 5. Here see, values, a values are both plus only, we add, but b values 1 minus is there, plus is big here, b by 5. So therefore write the required point coordinates. What? 5a minus b by 2, 5, 5a plus b by 5. These are the required coordinates we want. I hope everyone understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.